What, you just going to mill about? Oh yeah, look at Dino. Why does he love it so much? Oh, Beth! Beth, you're going to end up going for a swim. Oh, he loves it though, doesn't he? One day you'll have to bring him in here and let him swim. Yeah?
I'll never catch him.
Yeah? Trudy's drinking it.
It's a big machine coming up.
Right, are you moving off, guys, or what are you doing? It's too deep to run through it, innit? I filmed Rupert in the 4x4 centre. He is a rebel. Rebel.
You could just see the flower coming behind us.
Good, yeah.
Driving it from home.
I'm gonna follow you. You need to tell me where there's a good spot where I can.
I don't think you'll be able to go down there, you'll get stuck.
Don't have me going anywhere where I'm gonna get stuck. Oh, he's here, look.
We paused it.
No.